Let's dive into how Coralogix provides deep visibility into your Lambda functions and their interactions. Starting in our serverless view, we immediately see a comprehensive list of all of our Lambda functions. Notice the rich information available at a glance here. We have things like the function name, the triggers, the runtimes, the key performance indicators like errors, average latency. Along the left, we have our filters here. We can filter by the function name, again, the triggers, the region, and the runtime. Let's go and investigate one of our functions. I'm going to have a look at the Python one here. So this brings us to our function overview, where Coralogix transforms our metrics into rich visualizations. At the top, we have our invocations. We can see this function is running fine, and there's no timeouts, errors, or no memory issues. Below that, we can see critical metrics that every serverless developer needs to track, cold start frequencies, crucial for understanding the function initialization patterns. Then we have our duration breakdown, showing the initial duration, the actual execution time and overhead, and finally memory utilization, helping us optimize that function configuration. What's really powerful though is how we can drill into those specific invocations. Let's select one of these. I'm going to sort by duration. And by the way, just before we proceed, this is over the last 15 minutes. You can set this to a specific time window between a minute to 24 hours. Let's go ahead and have a look. Now this is going to bring us into our trace view, where we can see the complete journey of our function execution. Notice how Coralogix has mapped this out of all the service dependencies from the initial event-based trigger right through our Lambda function to its downstream services. On the right-hand side, we have the rich metadata about our trace. Say if I select this database here, we can see the actual request and response payloads, which is incredibly valuable for debugging and performance optimization. So this level of detail lets us understand not just that our function is running, but exactly how it's interacting with our other services. Looking at our trace visualization, we can easily identify the timing of each operation and spot potential bottlenecks, as they're clearly displayed here on these spans. That makes it simple to identify where our function might be spending too much time. So what makes Coralogix service monitoring particularly powerful is how seamlessly it integrates within the broader APM context. So whether you're troubleshooting a performance issue, investigating an error, or optimizing your architecture, you have complete visibility from the highest level metrics down to the most detailed traces.